Want to know how to check your missions or your quests in Snake.io and collect rewards when completed? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. Now, accessing the missions tab is super simple, so it should be right around this screen. For me, it's on the bottom left side right here. So you can see quests, so you can just simply select it and you can see various quests you can see. So right here, start a quest, where when you swipe to the right side, you should be seeing various missions that you can complete, and right here you should also be seeing the collectible rewards. Just simply tap to collect and that's it, you're good to go. You can also see rewards by going to the reward section right here and heading towards the bar section, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you check quests and get rewards. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.